Hi, this is Lisa. Today I'm going to talk about the rain. Why? Because it rained so heavily recently. Oh, so please look at this character. 雨 It means the rain. And also this character is easy to remember it because it just looks like a cloud with 4 raindrops. And what do you usually bring with you during the rainy days? The answer definitely will be your umbrella. So this character, 伞 it means the umbrella. And also, it's really easy to remember it because it just looks like a person with his umbrella, isn't it? But there are so many kinds of umbrellas. For example, the umbrellas for the sunny days, the umbrellas for the rainy days. If you want to emphasize this is the umbrella for the rainy days, you can say 雨伞 So during the rainy days, don't forget to bring your 雨伞, your umbrellas.
Register now using the promo code HowToSay and receive 20% off your premium subscription today.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.